Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie. Today's video is another Boxycharm video. This one is for April's box. The theme is sweet treats. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel, show her some love. If you guys are interested in learning how I created this sweet treats makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for this month's Boxycharm is sweet treats. And the first one I'm going to dive into is from Touch in Soul. It's their Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It says it's $32. It locks in your place and keeps them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This is what it looks like. Comes in this little pink box. And this is what it looks like out of the box. It smells kind of good. Smells kind of perfumey, a little bit of a fragrance. This is what it looks like. Jelly, it looks like a gel. It's kind of cool. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my face and use it as a primer. Oh, it is cold. I already moisturized. It does feel very hydrating. Okay, so I have that down now as a base. Feels very nice. We'll see how it goes with the makeup. The next item in the box that I'm going to talk about is from Terre Mars. I think that's how you say it. It's this body cleanser. It's an organic, a low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens the skin. This is for $22. Obviously, I can't use it. It's a body cleanser. Like, I have to use this in the shower. It does smell nice, so I have to try it out. Okay, what's next in the box? There is this liner, this Aurora Eyeliner Pen. If you've been looking for a long-lasting smudge-proof eyeliner, then look no further. The Aurora Intensively Precise Eyeliner in Espresso gives you an all-natural matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours, made with German ink technology to ensure a flawless finish. With an ultra-fine felt tip, the natural skin tip is 100% free of alcohol and won't smudge. This gorgeous liner provides a smooth and luminous look for any occasion, safe for sensitive eyes. And this is for $11.99. This is what she looks like. I'm actually not going to be using this one today just because it is a brown. Like, I've already swatched it before. It's a pretty espresso color. This, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the shade. Because I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette, I just feel like they don't go together, so I'm not going to be using it today. I will save it for another day. The next item in the box, which I was pretty intrigued by, is from Dragon Beauty. And this is their color corrector. It is supposed to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage to make your makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend it with a flat concealer brush or a beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. And this is for $25. And this is what it looks like. This is what she looks like. She's like this lavender shade. I like this applicator. Wow. And this is a swatch of it right here. It does seem very full coverage. Wow. So I'm also going to save this for another day as well, just because I'm going to do my foundation and everything like that, so I can save you guys time and focus more on the eye look that I'm going to be doing with the Natasha Denona palette. But I'm excited to try this. I'll keep you guys updated after I use it a few times for sure. And moving on to the last item in the box, this is from Natasha Denona. It is the Jubilee eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling in chroma crystals and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations, from playful, colorful, modern looks to everyday wear with a pop of color. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. And this is for $48. This is what she looks like. Very pretty. I love these colors. I thought this one was a black shade, but it's not. It's actually a dark blue shade. So these are the mattes right here, and then these are the chroma crystals and luminous pearls. And I'm excited to be using this tiny little palette today. It screams spring, and since we are spring, I'm all about it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a base for you guys. I'm gonna put some translucent powder, so then I will be ready to get into the eye look. So I'll be right back. So I basically did my e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and then I set it with some Coty Airspun, and then I pretty much just laid down some Anastasia Beverly Hills primer on my eyes to prep them, and I laid down a little bit of the translucent powder as well to catch any fallout from the palette. And the first shade I'm going to be going in with is this tan shade right here, this one right here. I'm just gonna put that in the upper crease area just to give us a transition shade. And let's see, I'm gonna pick that up on a Sonia Kashuk brush. It's a crease brush, tapered blending brush, and just go in with that color. Today's such a gloomy day in LA. So random. It's like one day it's hella hot and then the next day it's cold as hell. It's so weird. What's going on with the world? I'm just going back in circular motions, working this. That is the one thing I do love about Natasha Denona shades. They blend out so nicely. Now that I have that shade laid down, I'm gonna be going in with the next shade, just this one right here. And I'm gonna put that in the actual crease. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is well and safe and all that good stuff. Spring is here and I'm so happy because all the flowers are coming out and about. I feel like springtime is just a happy time, especially after all these dark times that we've been through lately. It's like a breath of fresh air. Now that I have those 2 shades laid down, I'm gonna be going in with this yellow color, this one. I'm gonna pop that right on the lid. This color is so pretty. It's perfect for spring because it's yellow. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. Wow, this is so blinding. It's so beautiful. Okay, now because I'm going to apply lashes, I'm going to go in and tightline with the shade right here, which it is a dark blue color. I thought it was black, but it's not. And I'm just going to tightline a little bit. Oh wow, now you can see it's blue. That's so pretty. Actually, I do a little bit of a wing while I'm at it. And that is beautiful. Finish the eye. Okay guys, now that I have the wing laid down, I'm gonna go in with this shade, this turquoise one, and I'm gonna do my lower lash line with it. I'm going to take a Morphe M432 and just lay that down. The only thing with the Natasha Denona palettes is that I wish there was a mirror because I keep having to switch over, but whatever. So I'm gonna give it a little spritz of my setting spray. shade is giving me mermaid vibes. Like under the sea. So pretty. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, and then I will give you guys an overview of the box. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so off camera I applied some lashes. I did House of Lashes Ethereal Minis, and then I finished my lower lash line with a little bit of mascara, and I popped on a lippy as well. This is from Kat Beauty. This is in the shade Charming. It's their lip gloss. And now let's do an overview of the box. So pretty much, let me go ahead and start adding some things for you guys. The Natasha Denona was 48. The Touch and Soul was 32 primer. Dragon Beauty was 25. The Aurora eyeliner was $11.99. And then the body cleanser was $22. So the total for this month's box was $138.99, and your girl only paid $25, so that's still pretty good. The items in the box that I really enjoyed was the palette, of course. You can't go wrong with Natasha Denona. She speaks for herself. And then I actually did pop on the Dragon Beauty, the color corrector, so I did use it a little bit under my eyes, and it looks very nice. I don't have any complaints about that. And what else? Body cleanser, obviously I can't say much for it because I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. The eyeliner I did use on I swatched on my hand. It was a pretty color. Still haven't used it yet. I'll probably use it in a future video. And the last item was the primer, the Icy Sherbet primer. I did enjoy it. I felt like it did hydrate my skin as well as like filling in my pores a little bit, so that was cool. The only thing I don't know if I would recommend for people who have sensitive skin, just because it does have a scent to it. It's a little perfumey, so if you have sensitive skin then you maybe don't want to try it. And then that's pretty much it for me, guys. And let me know in the comments down below which item is your favorite, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.